you can tap it or dab it wherever you want. Before you're doing this fusion ink, make sure you're doing a top coat, matte top coat for 60 seconds. I'm applying about 2 coat of it. You can, if you want more, you can absolutely do more if you prefer. Just want to follow up with you. Nails by Double. Hello. All right, so next gonna be is Thinking Green. I'm gonna wait for it to be just a little bit setting first. So before we move on to the next one. Wipe off my brush. I'm so excited with this because it's gonna make this really cool, stunning. Here's again, number 8, Thinking Green. I'm using a lot of this ones, it doesn't matter throughout the years because it can be really in the background nicely. And the colors of the gel painting in a little bit, we're gonna using a switch orange. And of course, our favorite is pure white in the pot. But we still have a lot of questions for the fusion ink. Hopefully, a lot of you will be able to enjoy doing fusion inks easy. Quick and easy, but here's the technique. It's so simple, easy doing it. I'm just using a crystal clear. This is a solution is perfect to drawing, like perfect all the veins for the marble look. Just basically you wipe off most of your nails of the brush. You just have a little bit left. That's all you need. And with the nails, it's kind of dry. You can see it from shiny to the matte. So it's ready for me to, you can just tap it and you can start seeing the veins it creates. It's so fascinating with this fusioning that it looks really loosened, like it's thin, but it's so pigmented, which is awesome that you will never have a hard time to create the marble looks and draw the veins. You can see that how I just tap it. I'm having like, don't have to really do a lot or messing up a lot with that. Basically, you don't really necessary though. So stunning. So watching all of you doing a fusioning look, it's just so inspiring and beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, do you want to see the veins on this one, like gold vein, or we're gonna go right into a drawing? I think a drawing is good though. So that's it. Each time if you want to dip it back into the crystals clear, make sure you clean the brush really well, so then it's not gonna bring back the color, is residue the colors from the brush back into the bottle. So keep your crystal clear is really nice and clean, so then you can do it with other colors. So just one set of like a fusioning with 11 colors. No, I'm sorry, 13 colors. Then you don't have to have a 13 bottle of crystal clear, just only need one crystal clear. You can do all designs with that. So far I'm happy with this. If you want different veins, you can really have fun in drawing it. So I'm gonna draw just a little bit of the veins here, but instead of using my jet black, I can't. I also can using this is still a gel painting, a thinner viscosity, and but because it have the brush, precision brush, and longer, you know, stripe, so then I can use it. Just give it a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot and too much, just a little bit. Just give it this is gonna be fun for whoever got the floral brush. It's gonna be so much fun. We wish we get to see you in the trade show. You get to see us. I'm gonna just here for a quick 10 seconds flash gear. And we got to do and show you in person a lot of designs using a floral brush, but it doesn't mean that you're not gonna have fun watching us doing live video, because it's really super simple and easy. I am going to using twin tip brush with the golden touch. All the golden touch, all that gel painting is back in stock right now. Just a little bit. And after I just dab a little bit of a golden touch on, I will key it for another 10 seconds. Great. This whole like part of this, I don't know how long that takes you. It take a long time to finish one part. All right, so I am gonna here's a collection of 4 different cool brushes. The reason it is like all different ones, it creates a different look. So I'm so excited. You can see that I'm using a lot, like 4 of them. And I am gonna pick, and in a different look and 4 different brushes, which is 4 different brushes is really compact. It creates like 8 different flower designs. So each end is a different petals design. So I'm gonna do one of it today. Is number 2 gel brush, the floral brush. So I have my is pure white from the pot and sweet orange right there. You can get just a little bit, like scoop just a little bit of small portions. And if you feel like you want to just thinning it out a little bit, you can just add either base gels or top gels.
Well, people ask, how long have you been doing nails?
Me? How long have I been doing nails? Is over 15 years. I don't want to be it more than that. If you feel like, what, you're not that old to do that many years, longer than that. If I say almost 20 years, then you say, so I'm saying 15 years to get a shorter, so it makes me look younger.
Yep, she's been doing that since she was 5 years old.
Thank you so much. I love the question. So now with the brush, every time you're using it, you can just cleaning it with the top coat, gel top coat or base gel, whatever that it doesn't have pigments. So to dissolving all of pigments off the brush, and then you can put the cap on and use it for next times. So don't let it get all that whatever is extra of gel and goos up on that. So then it's gonna ruin your brush. So I am gonna saturate my brush with the white. You can do 2 different colors you want to. And saturate that. You don't necessarily using both, but I'm just like basically moistening it and get the shape of my brush. You can see the shape of the flowers. All right. and just tap just a little bit in the sweet orange. Let me move this one away. And using the brush and the nails, how the client's nails and the brush is like flat, and it's just loading it really thin. It feels like it's so over white. And again, continue to repeating it, loading on the white and load back into the orange. Do another stroke. Repeat that. I think this lighting is making it so bright.
Just enough.
Great. So you can do it on this side as well. Thank you so much for the questions. I love what I'm doing. And thank you so much for joining me. I think this on Instagram is so over, like it's so bright. I think this
really
light. It is. Can you turn that one off? And it keep it flat. Just don't load too much of the gel painting. It make it too thin. You can always go in back. There you go. You see what I mean?
Super Cute Bling Nails asks, what brush is that?
It's number 2.
Little press.
The floral brush. I think I just need this one to be off. This one. Okay, can everybody see okay? It looks like this light is too powered. This. Okay, let me adjusting it. Sorry. Just want to get the best lighting for all of you.
Mila's Hearts asks, how long do you take to do a full set of acrylic nails?
It's really depend. If you are, if the client is asking to doing it really a simple nails, like say if you don't have any products on your nails, and if you don't have anything on, like your nails is really come with the bare nails, and I place the tips on. It depends, and if you want to overlay, it's really different. Or if you're doing tips, if you tip in solid colors, take about less than an hour. It depends on the length as well. So about average about an hour. And if you are doing a design and custom set, it's probably take about an hour and a half. And it's really depend too. Like if the clients are doing an hour and a half, or the clients want to do crystal on it, so it's different. Take a little bit longer.
Looter Collectibles asks, do you have a nail studio? Do you still work on clients?
Yes, I still work on the clients. I love work with the clients. It's just like have a therapist for me. So I do have a salon in Pensacola with a great team over here. So it's really grateful. I have all of you in my life. You know, it's all of you is great support. And that's give me a lot of energy and inspiration to continue with my passion, with my journey. Every time I have a lot of time that I will do getting out, not have a wedding, getting out, but out to doing a lot of other businesses. It still always take me back to the nails industry. So I did a 1 layer. You can fill it in, or you don't have to do a lot like this, and you can go back and outline more if you want to. And I am gonna key it for is flash key 30 seconds.
Copy Me